Hi, I found a really nice feature while doing the maintenance for my app certification, my app builder certification, and it's called the Mass Quick Actions for Related Lists. And I wanted to make a video. I think this is a really great feature and will have a lot of use cases. So I'm going to do it the exact way that they asked for in this module, and that's to update cases on a contact. Picture doesn't show that, but in the hands-on activity, that is what they're asking for. So I have a contact and I have 3 related cases, and I want to be able to update the status for all of the cases, or a handful of the cases all at one time, rather than having to go into each one and updating it manually. So I'm going to start with an action on my case, since I'll be updating case records. So starting in my object manager, I'm going to find case and then go to the buttons, links, and actions tab. Create a new action. It's an update a record action. And I'm going to name it update status. Now this page is what's going to show up on, for the user when they're updating. So I don't need subject. I don't need description. It's really important that I have the one that I'm going to be updating, right? So I'm going to leave contact name on there, and I'm going to leave status. Next, I need to add this to the related list on contact. So I'm going to go to contact in my object manager, find the page layout that I'm working with, which I already know is this one. Now scrolling down into my related lists, I'm going to use the wrench on the cases related object. And in buttons, I'm going to find my update status available action and move it into selected actions. Click OK and save. Now when I come into my contact and I refresh, I won't see any changes. The last step is that I need to update the related list to enhanced. Right, no changes here, no new buttons. So in my app builder on the page layout, I'll select my related list here. And related list type, whatever you have it set to, basic list, default tile, it needs to be set to enhanced list instead. So go ahead and save. And now when I come back in, we'll see my layout's changed a bit. I have a lot more information here, and I have new buttons. So in my caret drop down here, there's my update status button. So now I can select a couple, or I can select all at one time. Go to update status, and you'll see I have a couple in working, one in new. There's the contact I'm working with, the status, and I'm going to put them all to closed. Update 3 records, yes please. And voila, all changed in one fell swoop. Phenomenal feature. I'm very excited about this. Now, one more thing I do want to show. I wouldn't necessarily be using this change owner. It's very helpful, I suppose, if you are changing, a lot of the time. Maybe you do need to update all of them at the same time. I get that. But I wanted to show one more thing because this was kind of new to me a little while ago, and I found it very helpful. So you can update these in the same place that we were on the contact layout. So under my case related list, in that wrench again, go to the buttons, and this is where those hide. So I can unselect new, unselect change owner if I want to. I'll leave new, I'm fine with that, but I don't need the change owner. So I'm going to click OK, save and refresh. And now I won't have that caret anymore, and I kind of prefer that for my users. They just have it there right away. There we go. You could do this for priority. Let's say we needed to move everything into high priority. So many different things, and you can use it on a lot of different objects as well. So hopefully this is helpful.